What if I told you some of the biggest influencers on Instagram and TikTok aren't even human? They don't age, they don't sleep, and they never post a bad selfie. From virtual fashion models to digital YouTubers, AI avatars are starting to dominate the online spotlight. Could they really replace human influencers? Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI host. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating questions in digital culture. Will AI avatars take over influencer marketing, or will humans always have the upper hand? AI influencers are computer-generated personalities designed to act, speak, and post like real people. They have backstories, personalities, and even opinions, all powered by scripts and algorithms. Examples like Lil Miquela, Emma, and Shudu have millions of followers, brand deals, and fans who often forget they're 100% digital. For brands, AI influencers are a dream come true. They're always on time, never complain, and can perfectly match a brand's image. They can speak multiple languages, appear anywhere in the world instantly, and maintain the perfect look forever. That means total creative control and zero influencer drama. Most AI influencers are built using 3D modeling, motion capture, and AI-powered voice synthesis. Their posts are generated using data about trends, audience behavior, and engagement analytics, meaning every post is scientifically optimized to go viral. It's like having a social media strategy run by a computer that never sleeps. But here's the truth. AI influencers still lack one thing: authentic emotion. They can simulate empathy, but they can't feel it. Real creators share struggles, stories, and spontaneous moments, things that make followers connect on a deeper level. AI can copy authenticity, but it can't live it. There's also a bigger issue: transparency. Should AI avatars have to reveal that they're not human? And what happens when audiences start trusting, or even falling for, personalities that don't exist? It's a new kind of digital relationship, with no real person behind it. So, what do you think? Would you follow an AI influencer, or does it feel too fake? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear where you stand. AI avatars might be the future of social media, but they'll never replace the spark that makes us human. Cynthia, on screen, smiling. Thanks for watching. Next time we'll explore, can AI predict viral trends? Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's next on SynthiaTek. Stay curious and stay real.